Hey everybody, it's Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to give it a little unboxing here of the Asus C436 Chromebook Flip. This is a new Chromebook from them. And Asus, I do love. They make some amazing products. I mean, they've been doing computers for a long time. And you know me, I've been recently posting how I've just gotten rid of all Windows devices. Just makes most sense for me. So something Chrome really is awesome. Okay, so nice slim little model, not too bad. Let's take a look what's in the box as well, just to show you around here. And we got, how to quick setup. We got their charging cord. Unfortunately, it's not like a wall wart and a cable, unfortunately, but I got a bunch of PD chargers everywhere. You can play around with those later. Now, I believe there's a mod. I don't know if it comes with it, but it does have the accessory. You can get the pen. Yeah, it doesn't come with the pen, so I didn't get it at least, but you can get a pen for this guy. So, open this guy up. Come on. Open. It's a nice looking little laptop. It's got, doesn't have like a little, it's got a little bit of a shape there that you can still grab at the edge of the monitor, so you don't have to find it. There we go. Pretty nice. I don't know if those are backlit. We'll have to play around and find out. So in terms of, we got power, volume, headphone, USB-C, USB-C, nice light on both sides, speaker, and that's a micro SD. Oh, that's a speaker there too. Speakers here looks like, I don't know what, I guess it must be a fingerprint sensor there. Alright, well, I will start playing around with it and I'll tell you guys what I think of it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. Thanks everybody, talk soon.